How much damage can a car wash do in just a single wash? Today we're doing a video on a maintenance client of mine that it had been about 2 weeks since I seen him, and usually I wash it one or two times a week. And it turned out they went to the car wash. They didn't have time to come to me, and this is what we get. They sent me a text that said, "Hey, I had no time and I went through the car wash and oh my God, look at all those swirls." And they just didn't have time to have me do it. So they said, "Oh my God, they scratched my car up so bad." And so here we are taking a look at their job. And look at that. My goodness. You know, the car wash is cheap, but just like fast food, it lacks the nutrients that your body needs and can cause damage that is hard to see. But look at that. Jeez. Swirl City now. And on black, it just really dulls the color whenever this kind of thing happens. Unfortunate. So we'll go ahead and clean it up for them. There I'm using the Gentle Snow Foam from Coke Chemie. And followed up with a rinseless wash by Coke Chemie as well, Rapid Rinseless Wash. And there I'm using my favorite towel from Klin, the Evo Duo, or Duo Evo, I forget. Now here we're looking at the results of my one-step test spot, and as you can see, it cleaned it up nicely. So sent that to the customer, and we went ahead and did the polishing all over. Whole process of polishing took about 2 hours. It's a bigger vehicle. And here it comes. Back to new for just $225. So hey, whenever you're only spending $10 at the car wash to run it through, just remember that it might cost $225 to fix the damage that was done. But man, it looks good again. And yeah, they'll just let it be dirty next time and wait. I'm pretty sure of this. But let that be a lesson, guys.